everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Mandy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a hairstyle inspired by Dua Lipa in her Break My Heart music video. I'm absolutely obsessed with Dua Lipa right now. Ever since her album Future Nostalgia came out, I've been listening to it over and over and over again, and I was like, what a cute little hairstyle, and attempted to recreate it at home, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's very fast and it's very simple. All you'll be needing is a flat iron, which most of you guys will have. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to separate your hair so that half of it is up and half of it is down. So we're gonna be working on it in sections. So now that we have that out of the way, we can start by working on it in sections. So I already have my straightener heating up, and what you want to do is you want to take about like a 1-inch section of your hair, just like this, and I like to run my straightener through it a couple of times, and you start at the top and you fold your straightener away from your face like this and hold it for a couple of seconds, and then you flip it back down and you drag it, and then you hold it like this, and you hold it for a couple of seconds, and then you do the same thing. So away from the face, drag it, hold it, and then you do the same thing. And then what you have here is a sort of a loose crimp that you can see that she has in her video. So now we're gonna do the second piece, and I'll show you guys how I do it again. So run your straightener through it a couple of times, just get it warmed up, and then away from the face and hold it, and then drag it down, and then away, just like that. So you have these very like crimpy, wavy pieces that you can see that Dua Lipa has in the video. I'm going to do the rest of the under portion, and then I will show you guys what that looks like when I'm all finished. So that is the first section done. So now I'm just gonna work on the other half. Okay, so that is what the bottom portion looks like so far. So we're gonna do the same thing, but with the top half now. Okay, so what's really important about Dua Lipa's hairstyle in this video is that she has a very defined middle part. So before you start waving your hair, just make sure that you have that middle part. And what I like to do is I take my finger and I go up my nose and I kind of drag it along, and that should kind of set the point for where your middle part should be. Obviously it doesn't need to be perfect, but somewhat like relatively in the middle would be okay. So we're just going to do the exact same thing. Right, so that is what the one half looks like. You can see those very like loose, crimpy waves that she has in the video. Now I'm going to work on the other side. Okay, so that is what the hair looks like when it is all finished. But as you can see from her photos, she has no flyaways. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray and get some of the baby hairs out of my face, because part of why her hairstyle is so iconic is because she has little barrettes in her hair, and obviously she has blonde hair and she uses black barrettes. So I have black hair, so I'm gonna use gold barrettes, and it's just pretty close to her hairline, so we're just gonna put some in here like this, and then I'm going to hairspray that down. Cute. And then on the other side, and I'm going to hairspray this as well, just so it stays put. And I'm going to run my fingers through the waves a little bit because hers are a bit looser. But this is the final look, my hairstyle inspired by Dua Lipa's Break My Heart music video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.